Hello and welcome to another daily Quaker Parrot video. We got our birds on February 5th, 2021, and we are recording footage every single day and posting videos daily to see the progress we are making with our birds. Any likes and subscriptions are greatly appreciated, and be sure to do so if you want to follow right along with us and see the growth and training and development of our Quaker Parrots. Alright, so today I want to talk a little bit about if your birds are acting kind of skittish or kind of scared sometimes of you, especially if you just got your birds. You're still getting used to them, they're still getting used to you. In a case like ours where these guys are like 8 months old, and the previous owners, I mean, they told us that they got rid of them because they didn't have time for them. So they might be a little emotionally scarred anyway, because they do need a lot of time and a lot of social interaction. So if they're not getting that, it can be hard on them and be kind of hard to get them back to the right state of being okay with everybody. Now these guys have been pretty good for the most part. Sometimes if you go up and they're like, you know, they run off or they back up. You know, it could be, you know, they're just happy where they are and they don't want to be messed with. And, you know, you have to respect that. That could be one thing, or they just need, you got to have a lot of patience and just give it time. And if they are acting like that, don't just keep on trying to get them or try to make them come up to you, or it could just make it worse, or they're going to be even more scared. Jenny, what are you doing? Jenny likes the birds, but she's a little jealous of them. Come on, come on, good boy, good boy. We just work with them each day. When they want to come up to you, make sure I give them some pets if they let me. Do everything very slow and little steps at a time. Or you can use treats as well. Kiss, kiss. Thank you. You went down? Baby, come on. No, not interested. Hello. Hi. Hi. How you doing? Come here. Come on. Let me get some treats. Come here. You want a treat? You want a treat? Yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. You like your treat? You like your treat? You like those, don't you? Just got some new treats today. We bought them Amazon. The fruit treats. Yes, Jenny, I know. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. You want a treat? Come on, up, up. Yeah, yeah, come on. Good job, yeah. Come here. Good job, yeah. No, Jenny, those aren't for you. Those aren't for you. Don't eat those. Those are for the birdie. Do you want a treat? Come here. Come here. Not a treat for you. I know you know what treat means. You want a treat? You want a bone? Huh? Hold on. Alright. We got Jenny a treat, so maybe she'll go eat that and leave us alone for a little bit. Yeah. see here. You want a treat? You want a treat? Up, up. Come on. Up, up. Where you going? Treat, treat. Treat, treat, treat. You want a treat? Good job. Hi. You up? You up? Up. Good job. Good boy. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Okay, now you're up on my shoulder. Alright. You want a treat? Come here, buddy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Come here, buddy. Up, up. Good boy. Good boy. Say hello. Hello. You're being pretty quiet tonight. It's getting late. They're probably getting tired. They've been sleeping great at night, though. Just put the cover over their cage, and they don't make a noise. They don't make a sound. It's awesome. Up, up. Up, up. Good job. Good job. Alright, well that's all for today. Just remember, if you're trying to get your birds to get used to you, it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, a lot of consistency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. We post videos every day on our Quaker Parrots. They can range from training or just random videos of us hanging out with the birds, or maybe tips and advice for working with your Quaker Parrots, or something that we have came across that may be helpful to others. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support us, and if you want to follow along with us, see the growth and development of our Quaker Parrots. Thank you.